So how are your kids doing? I wanted to say horny, but like, no.
How do we look? How bad do we look? Quite bad, probably.
What is the most important thing, in your opinion, to consider when decorating a Christmas tree?
What Gina's likes.
Oh, what, at home?
Oh, at home?
At home.
Christmas lights. I wanted to say that.
In my case, it has to be vertical.
We don't stop until we get there. I don't know.
Meme from Shining, Stephen King.
Here's Johnny!
Yeah, lights. Okay, that's what they want you to say.
That's it. Next.
My Christmas memory would be the moment I got the little cat. It was my first cat. I was like 7-year-old.
Definitely being around the table with the whole family, with the grandparents, with the parents, sharing nice food. For me, that is what Christmas is really.
There was the stuff that children go under table and start making noises to different animals. Do it like moo. So,
Oh, what did you get? Oh, what did you get?
And once I got a very nice bicycle when I was a kid. I loved it. I still have it.
Yeah, we had like a massive fight during Christmas, and that's when I understood that like we're normal, finally.
It's done, guys.
Yay! You made it. We're on.
Yay!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye bye, Alex.